This MAXAIR training video covers the PB, 07 and 100 double hood outfits. There are two sizes of hoods. The ML is for most body sizes. The SM is for very small body sizes. They are packaged 20 per box. PB 100 double hoods do not require heavy loading filters, HLF, as they are not required to pass the silica dust test for heavy loading environments. PB 07 double hoods do require heavy loading filters, HLF, as they are required to pass the silica dust test for heavy loading environments. The hoods are used with the standard MAXAIR helmet, with a cage attached on top. Refer to their user instructions at maxair-systems.com for details. Key components of the hoods include the lens front alignment hole, the lens right and left side knotting holes, the inner and the outer shrouds. Key components of the helmet assembly include the headband ratchet knob, the helmet front, right, and left side mounting posts. First, assemble a fully charged MAXAIR battery onto a double layer of belt. Place the top edge of the belt under the battery clip, up to the clip top, so the clip detent rests on the clip base and not the belt. Place the belt comfortably around the waist and position the battery near the side back of the right hip. Assemble the hood to the helmet. Begin assembly of the hood to the helmet by pressing the center lens mounting hole over and onto the helmet center mounting post. Press one side lens mounting hole over and onto the respective helmet side mounting post. Repeat on the other side. Grasp the back of the hood filter at the seam of the shroud and begin to pull the hood up and over the helmet. Move your grasp down to the outer shroud back just below the filter line and continue pulling the hood over the helmet, down to within about 1 to 2 inches from the top rear helmet snap. Position the power cord over the right shoulder and down the back to the battery. Connect the power cord to the battery to initiate airflow. Push the power cord connector into the battery receptacle until the secure connection audibly clicks. Loosen the ratchet adjustment knob counterclockwise to ensure the helmet will easily fit over the head. Pull the helmet over and down onto your head. Tighten the ratchet knob clockwise, as tight as comfortable, to secure the helmet on the head for all anticipated activities. Adjust the helmet airflow switch to the airflow range that matches the desired comfort for the expected activity level. Pull the hood shrouds down, all around. Don appropriate body gown or covering per their manufacturer's protocol. Keep the hood outer shroud up while closing the gown, with the inner shroud inside the body gown, as the outer shroud is typically worn on the outside. Ensure the hood outer shroud is fully down on all sides. Pull the necktie to within about 1/2 inch of the neck, then tie it securely. Feed the body tie through the front outer shroud slits. Pull it snugly around the body and tie it securely. The High Fluid Resistance Filter Cover Cap, HFR-CC, is a fluid impermeable cover for MAXAIR hood filters. It provides an optional protective cover for all MAXAIR hoods. Refer to its training video for donning and doffing. For PB07 hoods, be sure to don the heavy loading filter, starting from the back and pulling forward. Ensure the heavy loading filter is down, all around. Don optional HFR, FCC starting at the front and pushing down towards the back. Begin doffing the HFR, FCC. Start at the back and slowly lift the HFR, FCC up and off the helmet. Then remove the heavy loading filter by lifting it up and off of the helmet. Start doffing the hood by untying both neck and body ties. Pull the ties through their hood loops and discard appropriately as contaminated waste. Roll the outer shroud up to above the body gown. Open the body gown, reach back and pull the inner shroud up and out to cover the outer shroud. Continue to roll up both shrouds, inside over outside, up, and over the helmet, to the front. Unsnap each side lens attachment from the helmet. Continue rolling the hood forward and off the front helmet mounting post. Discard appropriately as contaminated waste. Loosen the rear headband adjustment knob counterclockwise. Lift the helmet up, forward, and off the head. Disconnect the battery from the helmet. Push the secure connection button down and pull the cord connector fully out and away from the battery. Release the button. Unbuckle the belt and remove the battery and belt from around the waist. Connect a powered-on battery charger to the battery. Push the charger connector fully into the battery receptacle, just below the secure lock button. Do not push down on the secure lock button. Properly clean, ready, and store the helmet for its next use. This completes the MAXAIR PB100 and 07 Double Hood Outfits training video.